What is one thing you regret giving to your ex? Baka nauhaw ka na, uminom ka na.
Siguro straight na lang, straight, diba? In 3 words, describe your life now.
Friends na nga kami nung spider eh. Ano pa ako sober para dito ah. I'm Isabel. I'm 28 years old. My expectation for this game is to just have fun.
Hi, I'm Jay Martinez. I'm an indie actor and I just want to have fun. Gaano ka karupok pagdating sa love? Share your own experience.
Hindi ko marupok. Marupok kasi yung previous relationship ko, nag-last kami for 6 years. Maraming chances na binigay, ganun. Hanggat kaya, hanggat may bibigay ko. So, feeling ko, yun, marupok pag gano'n. So, 10 kung may scale siya. Your thoughts on cancel culture?
Siguro sa akin, lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanyang opinion. So, I think we just have to respect each other na lang.
I agree. Tama.
When was the last time you felt so proud of yourself?
Ooh, hirap. Siguro ano na lang, pwedeng everyday. The fact na I choose to stand up and keep going in life. Pero for me, nakaka-proud na yun.
Iyak na ba? Iyak na.
Yun ang naisip. Walang big achievement, pero yun. Thoughts on friends with benefit?
Risky pero exciting. Nakaka-enjoy naman. Kasi bawal. Pero enough when your mom is angry and having a bad day.
Sorry kung mapapanood mo man to. Sisigaw siya sa background. Isa! Ano ba? Uminis kayo! Ganyan! Ano? Kung pag namatay ako dito, wala kayo kaanuhan! Very demure pa, pero with actions pa pala dapat. What is one thing you regret giving to your ex?
Wala.
Baka nauhaw ka na, uminom ka na.
Siguro straight na lang, straight, diba?
Shirt na, kasi shirt na lang.
How would your ex describe you in 3 words?
Parang, natulala. Siguro makulit, loving. If may violent reaction, mag-comment ka na. Loving and parang makulit pa rin. Very makulit ako as a girlfriend.
Dalawa lang yun.
Ay, sorry. Nakahiya naman po. Sige na nga po. One weird thing about you.
Ayaw ko na. Nilalaro yung habang nanonood ng TV. Yung private part mo.
Every time? Di naman.
Most of the time. Lalo pa nag-iisip. Diba minsan pag nanonood ka ng TV, parang nakakatulala ka lang.
Parang ginagawa mo stress ball, gano'n.
Yes.
Okay.
Sakto What is a perfect date for you?
Perfect date for me is yung surprise. Yung wala akong alam kung anong gagawin niyo for that night or that day. Which one is worse for you? Emotional cheating or physical cheating?
Physical cheating.
As a guy, physical.
Kasi for me, sobrang sacred nung part na yan. Kasi when you do the physical act, may kasama kasi emotions yun eh. Pag ginagawa nila yun, syempre.
Paano yung friends with benefits mo kanina? With emotion yun?
Minsan.
Pero di mo naman love. Like friends lang kayo.
Siyempre, yung sarap, emotion pa rin naman yun eh. Diba?
Totoo naman. Pero hindi yung with feelings na parang gusto ko na tong friend ko na to.
At some point, dati, nagkaroon din. Your thoughts about people putting a timeline on others for when they should get married or have kids?
Parang for me, dapat respect everyone's perspective or opinion na lang din. Siguro parang both ways naman. If sila gusto nila mag-comment ng ganun, okay, hindi nila ma-keep to themselves. Pero dapat they have to respect other people's wishes in life kung ayaw naman nila magkaroon ng babies or ng marriage or lifelong partner. Parang, for me, respect lang in this world. Para may peace tayong lahat. Kasi yun, natagal na namin nung ex ko. Pero parang hindi ko siya tinitake negatively naman. Biggest turn off sa kadate?
Sinundan na ako.
Sige. Okay lang sa baso? Dalawang patak lang yan
Dumbest thing you said to your partner during
Shot. Hey, parang gusto ko na tuloy sagutin. Pwede ba yun? Naalala ko nung first time. Sabi ko, ito na yun.
Rude!
Oh my God. Parang ibang ina-expect ko kasi na parang very magical and very wow. Ganyan. Tapos parang talagang dinoise out ko siya. Nahiya ako parang, shit, ba't mo sinabi yun out loud? Paano ka lumalandi sa text? Reenact.
Yun ba lang ako? Parang... matagal na ako di lumalandi. Sabi ko di ako iinom eh, pero wala akong choice eh.
Kung di ka uminom, di naghubad ka dito.
In 3 words, describe your life now.
Mom.
Ang totoo.
Dear mom and relatives, sorry. Kumakanon yung 3 words. Wale. Blanco. Bokya. May web na... Friends na nga kami nung spider eh. Masyado pa ako sober para dito. Do you think can save a relationship? Details. Papaisip din ako
Trip na lang.
Sige, shoes. Kasi bago yung pants, di ba? Shoes muna.
Para mahubad. I dare you to strip. For guys, take a selfie. For girls, snap a photo. Let me choose who you are going to send it to on your IG. No text, just the photo.
Ano na lang, shot na lang. Dapat safe tayo dito. At wais tayo.
Bumigyan ko kaya, no?
Okay. Oo nga eh. Baka yun pa yung mapili niya. What is your fetish?
Fetish sa sex? Kaya kala ko. But?
Anong fetish about?
Pagka-hinihimas ka.
Okay. Yun yung fetish mo. Okay.
Siyempre nag-visualize kayo.
What is your love language?
Love language? Lahat. Gusto ko lahat nare-receive. Pero, sorry! Gahaman! Lahat sana, pero kung papapiliin ako, gusto ko quality time. Gusto ko binibigyan ako ng time. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, what is the chance of us having a relationship after this interaction? Agad? Be honest.
2.
Nice.
I'm taken.
Okay. Fair. Super fun siya. Akala ko kakabahan ako or matatakot ako kasi stranger. Hindi naman pala. In fairness. Good experience.
Masaya pero nakaka-tense. Lalo yung mga tanong dun sa yung mga personal kasing tanong. So, ayun.